Alright guys, update here. Got the new pilot bearing in. Crank saver is in also, and the rear main seal is also in. And this thing was a bitch to get out. I had to rent a tool to pull it out. It's a pilot bearing tool. And here's the old one. Well, part of it anyways. Yeah, those things are in there pretty hard. Oil pan's in, torque down, one piece oil pan seal. What else? Oh, these are going in. I already got these. What do you call them? Expansion plugs, freeze plugs. I'm gonna put those in right now, and I think we'll be good to go to get the short block into the car. Let's see how it goes.